In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default account for the Contacts app on iPhone. So the first thing I'm doing here is opening the Settings app on my iPhone. Once I'm in Settings, I'm staying on the main screen and just scrolling down through the list until I find Apps. You may need to scroll a little bit depending on where you are, but that's completely fine. I'm just moving down at a normal pace, and as soon as I see Apps, I'm tapping on it. Now I'm inside the Apps section, and this is where all of the apps on the iPhone are listed. From here, I'm scrolling through the list until I find Contacts. You can just move through the app list normally and keep an eye out for it. Once I see Contacts, I'm tapping on it, and that takes me straight into the settings for the Contacts app. At this point, I'm on the Contacts settings page, and now I need to go down to the bottom of this screen. So I'm scrolling down through the contact settings until I reach the lower part of the menu. I'm just staying on this same page and continuing to scroll until I find the option called default account. Since it's at the bottom, just keep going until you see it. Once I get to the bottom and find default account, I'm tapping on it to open that section. This is the setting we need for choosing which account the Contacts app will use by default. So this is the important part of the process. As soon as that menu opens, I'll be able to pick the account I want to use. Now I'm inside the default account section, and this is where the available account options will appear. From here, I'm choosing my default contacts account from the options shown on the screen. So at this point, I'm simply looking through the list of available accounts and tapping the one I want to use as my default account for contacts. That's really the main part of this whole process. You're just opening the default account menu and selecting the account you want. Once I tap the account I want, that choice is set. So if you've got multiple contact accounts on your iPhone, this is where you decide which one the Contacts app should use by default going forward. As I'm doing it here, I'm just taking a quick look at the available options and making sure I select the one I actually want before leaving the screen. I'm not changing anything else here, and I'm not going into any extra menus beyond this. I'm simply opening default account and choosing the correct account from the list. So the full path is very simple once you know where to go. You open settings, scroll down and tap apps, tap contacts, scroll down to the bottom, tap default account, and then choose your default contacts account from the options. Everything happens in that same flow, and once you reach the default account section, it's just a quick selection. If you're following along on your own iPhone, just take it one tap at a time and stay in that exact order. Start in settings, go into apps, open contacts, then scroll all the way to the bottom and tap default account. Once that menu opens, choose the account you want to use, and that's it. And that's it. You just open your iPhone settings, go to apps, tap contacts, scroll down to the bottom, tap default account, and choose your default contacts account from the options. Once you've selected the one you want, the Contacts app is set to use that account by default on your iPhone.